Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix AliExpress payment failed error. I opened AliExpress the other day because my payment kept failing at checkout and I wanted to figure out what was going wrong. So I logged into my account and went straight to the payment section from my profile menu in the top right corner. Then I double check all my card details like the number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address to make sure everything matched my bank records since even a small typo can trigger an error. And I also made sure my card was actually supported for online and international payments because some cards or apps like prepaid services may block transactions by default. And after that, I checked my banking app for any security prompts or OTP verification requests that might have been missed since banks often block purchases for protection. And when it still didn't work, I tried switching to another payment method like a different card or wallet option, since that often fixes the issue instantly. And I also disabled any VPN or proxy, just in case it was interfering with the transaction. Finally, I realized that if nothing works, the best move is to contact support through the help center so they can identify the exact reason behind the failed payment, which honestly makes the whole process less stressful once you go through it step by step. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.